Holy crap. My cocktail took a pee. Heyo. So this is gonna be my third episode. Am I recording? Yes, I am. This is my third episode of, I don't know what this thing is, teaching people how to drink well. Today, we're gonna be doing a rum drink. I actually created this drink. I made this drink for myself and my husband about a week ago, and it was delicious. It was super good. I'm not a huge rum drinker, but I bought this just because of the bottle. Did you guys ever purchase something just because of the bottle, or the book cover, or the, I don't know, whatever. I purchased this. It's called Diplomatio. And it's Spirit Brand of the Year for 2018 from Wine Enthusiast. It's actually a really good rum. It's not very sweet. It's not very strong either. It's got a good flavor to it. Super good. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that. I'm gonna be using almond milk. You can honestly use any type of milk you want. I just happen to be dairy free, so I'm using almond milk. Hershey's syrup. Just obviously the chocolate kind. You can use whatever brand you want. We just happen to have Hershey's in the house. Some pumpkin pie spice and some cinnamon. You can use nutmeg. You can use any type of fall-ish type spice. This is just what we have in our house. So what you do first is you're going to put your ingredients in the ingredient shaker. So you're going to do 1 ounce of the rum. And I forgot to put the ice in there. So we're going to put the ice in there because you want it to be cold, obviously. And since it does have milk in it, you want to kind of do it a little bit quicker because you don't want the ice to melt too much, or else then you're going to get watery milk, which is kind of nasty. So then you put the milk in there, and then you're going to put your Hershey syrup. And you know, with the milk, if you're making it just for yourself, I fill it about halfway up. I mean, you're making it just for yourself, you can kind of determine how big the glass is compared to how much you put in. So you do a little bit of Hershey's, I would say 2 big squirts. Add a little bit of pumpkin pie spice, a little bit of cinnamon. Then you're going to do this. Shake it about. And you kind of want the milk to get frothy. So as long as the milk is pretty frothy, you're good to go. And then what I like to do to make it look a little bit more fancy is I'm going to line the sides with chocolate sauce, because I feel like you can never have too much chocolate sauce. And then you're going to pour it. Holy crap. And hopefully you'll pour it better than that. I'm not sure why that did that. So you don't want to make a mess like I did. My cocktail took a pee. Perfect. So then yeah, that's what it'll look like. I want to say it tastes kind of like a mudslide minus the Kahlua. So obviously it's not coffee liqueur, but oh yeah, that's super good. So it's not very sweet either. Depending on how much sweetness you want, you can add as much as you want. Like I said, only did 2 dabs and then 2 squirts, and then I did it on the side, but it's not very sweet. It's got a nice cinnamony kind of fall feel to it. It's a good way to drink rum, good way to drink your daily dose of milk, calcium, whatever. Yeah, it's super good, and it's super pretty too. I mean, look at it. I mean, who wouldn't want to drink this? I mean, that's how you make this drink. I haven't named it yet. I gotta get a name. Yeah, I have no idea what to name it, so if you guys have a really good name for it, you should let me know. I was thinking like fall rummy, spice fall rum drink. I don't know. You got a good name? Put it in the comments, like and subscribe. Yeah, thanks for joining me for my 3rd drink cocktail concoction. I'm really glad you guys are here. I'm glad you guys are watching. If you're still watching it after the 3rd episode, I must be doing something right. Thanks for joining me. Again, my name is Benny. I don't think I've ever said my name before. My name is Benny, and this is my drink. Thanks for watching. I'm still fine. Good.